marafiki na karibu kwa YouTube yangu. Leo kwa YouTube, mimi nitapika Chipsi Mayai na mwalimu na darasa ya Kiswahili kwa sababu mimi ninapenda darasa ya Kiswahili sana na mimi ninapenda kula pia. Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube. Today for YouTube, I will be cooking a French fry omelet with my teacher in my Swahili class because I love my Swahili class a lot and I love to eat a lot too. For those of you who don't know, I have been taking Swahili in the senior year of my college career, so I am currently in the 3rd level, and Swahili is just an foreign language that is spoken in the eastern parts of Africa, such as Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. And I really enjoyed the class, and we previously just did a cooking class virtually that I participated in, and we cooked Chipsi Mayai, which is just a French fry omelet. And I thought it would be a very fun video to show you guys. So we're just going to get straight into the video, and I will continue to tell you all the ingredients as well as the process to making Chipsi Mayai now.
Oyana and Amina, maybe you can just show us your ingredients before we start. Okay. Oyana, tell us what you have.
Sawa, Dania, Kifungu, Chipsi, Mayai, Pili Pili, Pole. Yeah, that. Namafuta. Basi. India. The first step is to just cut all of the ingredients, which is the onions, cilantro, and potatoes. And you cut the potatoes in French fry shape. But I did all of that ahead of time, so here you just see me cutting the cilantro. Next, you crack 3 eggs into a bowl and you mix or whisk the eggs until the yolk is completely mixed together as one. Next, you cook the fries on medium heat for about 10 minutes until they are done. And then once they are done, you basically just add them to the egg mixture and mix them into the eggs thoroughly. Next, add the chopped onions to the egg mixture along with the fries. Pole, say Martina. Oh, Indio. Now add the chopped cilantro into the egg, fry, and onion mixture. Sour. Now add a little salt and pepper for seasoning. Mix all of the ingredients together in the bowl.
Mix the black pepper and 3.
Pour the Chipsi Mayai mixture into the pan over medium heat. Cook the omelet for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, then flip it and cook the omelet for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then take it out of the skillet, and this is how it will look. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure that you leave them down below. And make sure you also press the like button. And most importantly, please subscribe. Also, shout out to my nail tech for you all that love nails. Like, these nails are super cute and long. Excuse the redness on one of these fingers. I was eating hot chips, but my BF did my nails. Check her out. Her Facebook for her nail page is Kendi Nails. Make sure y'all check that out. Thank you all so much once again. Asante sana na kwaheri.